Hey everybody, so I just had a stroke of genius and I thought I would share because I can't be the only person that has the same struggle. So I have always wanted a class set of like the mini whiteboards that the kids can write on. And every time I look at them, I'm just blown away by how expensive they are. I've looked at all these things online where people are like, oh, you can buy the shower wall and have them split it and all this stuff. And I'm not about that life. It's still expensive and it's just not going to work. So here's my stroke of genius. In this room, I have slip covers, right? So my seniors have to have slip covers for their graduation project, portfolio, and I'm always inundated with a surplus of slip covers because they'll buy 2 packs and they only need 3 out of that second pack, and so they donate it to me, so I have a lot of them. And as I was sitting here, I was thinking, I bet you can write on these. So here's the test. Slip cover, expo marker. Wrote on it. And now, I don't have an eraser over here, but I have a napkin. So, now I'm going to erase it. Erase. And here's the thing. It didn't even leave any, like, weird stain or something on it. You know what I mean? Like, it didn't leave any of the little dusties. Like, it's all on my cloth. Done. Why have I not thought of this before? So here's what I've done. Because some of these are really cheap and like floppy or whatever, I was going to put just plain white paper in them, but I had a pack of cardstock. And so I put this white cardstock in it, and now I have cheap whiteboards. And I can't believe that I haven't heard of this before. Other people might have already known this, but this is a revelation to me. Because I've tried to think of everything that could go wrong. I also have taped the edge, like the open part, because I can see the kids pulling the piece of cardstock out and like writing on it, and then obviously it's not going to erase. So I just put a little piece of tape on the edge. It's probably going to get peeled off, but it's a preventative measure, I guess. And so now I have mini whiteboards. And then to erase, I just use napkin and it's erased. Now I will say on this one you can see a little bit of the black on it, but that's still pretty good. So here's what I'm saying. I made whiteboards out of things I already have laying around my room. Blank slip covers, pack of cardstock, piece of tape. Mini whiteboards. So this is exciting. So now I guess I just get to have the joy of figuring out now how to get a bunch of expo markers and erasers. Let's test a vis-a-vis marker while we're at it. Okay. So not as, keep throwing my eraser away. Not as dark. Okay, so the first pass over it, it doesn't erase all the way. But if I push down hard, it erases. Not as good as the Expo, but it erases. Let's do another test. Let's do knockoff Office Depot markers. Let's see how they erase. Oh, they do great. They do great just like the Expo markers. So, Awesome. And I'm going to make a set of 30 of these, and I'm going to put them in a box down here. And now I have mini whiteboards. Yay! So I just thought I would share that with you. I'm super excited about it. I will update you and let you know how it's going sometime. Hopefully it will continue to go good. So hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!